Welcome to Hip Hops Brewers. 21 beers on tap. You heard me.
Hey, Alastair, what are you up to, mate? Just be careful, hey. Good to see you.
Hey, happy birthday.
Hey, thank you very much.
So,
2 years old, I don't look a day over one.
2 years old, that's a great success story. What's the secret to a good brewery, Sean?
Most people would say a good beer.
Yeah.
We do that.
Yeah.
That's not the secret. The secret is what you bring to people by way of experience and memories and celebration. That's really where the magic comes from.
It's interesting, I've talked to a lot of producers all across Moreton Bay, and there's a thread there of community. We are going to see tens of thousands of members of the community at the Moreton Bay Food and Wine Festival.
Yes, we are.
You're a sponsor this year. Where can people find you at this year's festival?
Just about everywhere, Alastair. There are lots and lots of house bars there, and we are on the house bars, all of the house bars, and it's such a big footprint with so much going on that it's important to have thirst stations along the way.
But you know, there's something very soulful about that people can get an authentic taste of Moreton Bay. When they want to have a delicious beer, that it's going to be something that's made right here.
Well, it was a big part of us wanting to get on board and partner with the Moreton Bay Food and Wine Festival, and we really want to, as I say, grow with community. No better stage than the Moreton Bay Food and Wine Festival to showcase our beers at.
Tell me, is your Expialidocious, did I get that right?
You did.
Expialidocious is going to be on the menu?
It will absolutely be on the menu. That's one of our flagship beers. Probably the Lakeside Lager, the Sanford Sessions Pale Ale.
Yeah. So as well as having your beers available at every house bar between here and the curvature of the earth, you're also involved with Laughs and Lager. What is that?
Well, we've come up with the concept for an event that combines all the good things. We've got laughs, we've got lagers, we've got mates, we've got Kat Davidson hosting.
Fabulous.
A swag of very, very funny people.
Yeah.
It's on every day in the afternoon during the Food and Wine Festival.
Laughs and Lagers, that just is on the tip of my tongue. There's lovely vibrations at that festival up at Apex Park, Woody Point. Describe it to people who haven't been.
All of the senses are there, you're right. There's a vibration that you can feel, there's wonderful sounds to hear, happy people, wonderful things to see, incredible things to taste. Why wouldn't you want to go along and experience all of that?
And the best beer in the Southern Hemisphere.
I think we need to go a bit bigger than that. After all, we did open on May the 4th, so let's just say Galaxy.
May the force be with you.